Hey builders, HubSpot is a leading marketing automation platform, and you can now access it from within your BuildShip workflows. Here we are in the BuildShip Node Explorer. We have a range of nodes covering the major CRUD operations for key parts of the HubSpot platform. In this video, we'll run through the create, retrieve, update, and delete functions for the deals section in HubSpot. Let's start by creating a deal. The first thing our node requires is an API key. Now you'll get this over in the HubSpot dashboard. On the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, go to Integrations, then click Private Apps. Then click Create a Private App. Give it a name. And then at the top of the screen, click the Scopes tab. Now scopes are the access that your particular private app has to your HubSpot account. Put deal in the search box. That will return the scopes related to the deal section in HubSpot. Once you're satisfied that you have all the relevant scopes selected, click Create App and then continue creating. This is your API key that you'll want to copy and store back in BuildShip's secrets so it's encrypted. Next, give your deal a name, an amount of money in the default currency, the deal stage, the pipeline, and any additional properties. You can get more information about the additional properties and the deal pipelines by clicking the Info button in the node. If we test out this workflow, we see we're returned a successfully created deal. This is our deal ID. We'll need it for the other nodes in our workflow. You can also get the deal ID in the HubSpot dashboard by going to Deals in the left-hand side menu, then clicking Actions and viewing all. With our first deal successfully created, let's move on to retrieving a deal. We use the same API key and add in our deal ID. We get back a similarly structured object. All right, but what about updating a deal? Well, it's a similar process again. Same API key, the relevant deal ID, and the properties you'd like to update as a JSON object. In the info panel, there's a link to more details about the range of properties that you can update in each deal. There are a lot, and it can be a little overwhelming. But if you're ever unsure, you can always go back to the HubSpot dashboard, into the deal itself, and see the properties there that are available for updating. For now, let's use the example provided. And run a test. Here we see the familiar structure of our HubSpot deal, returned and updated. Finally, let's delete a deal. And you guessed it, same API key and the relevant deal ID. There we go, deleted successfully. We're just scratching the surface. This is just one of the many sections in HubSpot that BuildShip can update for you programmatically. What do you use in HubSpot, and how can BuildShip help make your processes easier, more automated, and efficient? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's BuildShip.